Hello, I'll be showing you guys how to solve a 4x4 matrix with a EL-W516X calculator. Okay, so let's get started. So you got a 4x4 matrix here. We got a 4x4 matrix here, and we're trying to solve for I1, I2, I3, I4. This augmented matrix would be A, this would be X, and this would be B. And we're trying to find what X is. So this is what we're going to be entering to our calculator. So, how do we do this? So first thing first, you want to click on mode, and then number 4 is matrix. You want to go into the matrix mode. So you click, so you press 4. Once you've pressed 4, you're in matrix mode. So now what you need to do is you click on math, or press on math, or press math, and then press 2 to edit, and then you want a 4x4. So you'd have to go 4, and then again one more time 4. So that's a 4x4. Then you press enter. When you press enter, now it's asking you to enter all the matrix values or numbers. So our matrix is this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and punch that in. So that's, first one is 1, enter, then 0, enter, 0, enter, then 0, enter. Now the second row, which is this, so it's negative 6800, and then 6800 plus 2200 plus 4700. So that's that, and then 0, and then negative 2, 2200. So that's the second row. Now going to the third row. So the third row is 1020, negative 1020, and then negative 1, and then 0. And the next one, which is the last row, fourth row, it's 0. So it's 0, negative 2200, then negative 5600, and then 5600 plus 2200. Okay. Good. Now that you have entered all the data, or all the values of the matrix, now what you have to do is you have to press clear. So then you press math. Then you have to store that matrix by pressing 4, and then press either 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this case, we're gonna save our matrix in matrix A, which we called it A in this case. So we'll say A, press 0. So now it's stored in matrix A. So next thing we have to do is we have to do matrix B, which is this one here. It's a 4x1 matrix. So again, same thing. We go click on math, and then 2, and then this time we're going to go 4x1. So it's showing the results from the previous matrix. That's no problem. We'll just leave that the way it is. And then we're going to enter our data, which is negative 2 in this case, that 0, 0, and then negative 1.5. Okay, again, clear it. Now we have to store it. Press math, and then store, and this time we're going to store it in matrix B. Okay, now it's saved. So now we need to solve the matrix, or find the I1, I2, I3 values. So we have to punch in our enter the matrix A and B this way in our calculator. So we go math, and then press 1, and then 0, and then you want to put this to the power of negative 1, then multiply this by, again, math, matrix, and then matrix B, and then that's it. So our value for I1 is negative 0.024, 0.023, sorry, 0.0023, and then so on and on and on. And this is what I got earlier. Thanks for watching.